Hello, middle schoolers. Today I am so excited because you're going to be doing your cell model projects. Yay! Time to step away from the screens and get creative in the real world, non-digital. So during remote learning, it's really important that we take time to step away from the computer. So this is a non-digital project. So you're going to be drawing or constructing or building some kind of model of a cell for me in the real world, showing the structure of the cell and its organelles, and then explaining to me the function of those organelles on a flip grid. Okay, so I just want to talk you through this assignment a little bit so you don't get confused and you feel more confident. First step is to make a copy, see this link here, of the assignment so you can see it in full detail and have access to the rubric when you do your self-assess. Okay, step 1, choose plant or animal cell, doesn't matter which one. Just make sure that you're showing the important parts from the list. Decide how you are going to make your model, and if you're not sure how, you can look at the student examples for inspiration or even Google just to get some ideas if you're feeling kind of stuck. Use what's comfortable and accessible and easy to you. If you have lots of Legos and you love building Legos, build me a Lego cell model. If you love to draw or paint, if you'd love to go outside and build things with rocks and sticks and forts or the toys from your siblings' room, ask first. If you like to build things with clay, if you've just got a variety of craft and art materials, feel free to do. If you want to bake me a cake, put some decorations on it, build me a pizza, use fruit. The sky's the limit here, folks. So anything that's accessible. If you have trouble finding materials, let me know. Before you begin, it's important to make a plan, diagram or sketch out what you're going to do, what it's going to look like, and make a list of the items that you're going to need. So when you go find them or collect them or go to the store or dig in your Halloween candy, you can find what you need because you've matched it up. So you have a list of your cells, organelles, and what it's going to be. Then you're going to start to build and put it together. Once you're done building, make sure you have someone peer review it. You have the link right here. It can be a family member, it can be a friend. Have them give you feedback. What can be improved? What can be changed? Do you have everything labeled? Then finally, this will be a little different. You're going to submit this using Flipgrid. Okay, so you're going to tell us why you chose the materials you did, take us on the tour of the cell, telling us about each organelle and the job or what they do, what their function is to help the cell operate. Okay, help it survive. So that's what you're actually going to be submitting. It's not like you're going to hand me a cake, but you're going to submit a Flipgrid showing those different things. So for example, if I was a student and I was at my house, I would have made this incredible cake candy business, and I would explain on the Flipgrid, okay, what each of these things are. This is my nucleus. This is the brain of the cell. It controls all of its behaviors and activities, and inside is the nucleolus, where the ribosomes are produced. And these little chocolates represent the cell wall because this is a plant cell, and it's, so you're going to talk us through each of those steps, each of those organelles, and what they are and what their job is specifically to help the cell survive. I hope this helps you on this journey of building me a fantastic model. Let me know what questions you have. I'm here to help.